Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility, Bluetooth-capable stylus or universal EMR that Android recognizes. Put the pen into pairing mode and make sure its battery is above half so it won't drop out. Open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and leave the device list visible. You'll need the screen unlocked. Once you see the pen appear, tap the name to pair. If Android prompts for permission, accept it. This lets the system map basic buttons. Continue now to refine input behavior and app settings. Once paired, you configure how the pen behaves. You grant any requested permissions, Bluetooth scanning or location, so the connection stays stable. Go into System or Stylus settings to set pointer speed, button mapping, and handwriting recognition. These change how pressure and taps register. Make sure your target app has pen input enabled, and if needed, turn on accessibility features that improve precision. After adjusting, test writing, tapping, and long press actions to confirm the pen acts predictably across apps. You finish by validating real-world use. Open a Notes app, a drawing app, and a browser to test taps, pressure, and gestures. If lines are jittery or buttons lag, recalibrate in settings or check for a firmware update for the pen. When problems persist, turn Bluetooth off, forget the device, and repair, then reboot both devices. And if nothing fixes it, use this key tip. Reboot your phone and the stylus first. This clears many connection and driver glitches before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.